Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app, and then here it opens up in the Explore page where we have some suggestions. From here we have to tap on Profile, and here under the settings section we tap on Personal Information, and here at the top we find Legal Name. We can tap on Edit, and then we can just change it, and after we have changed it we just tap on Save, and thereby it will be updated, and here it will display the new name and also in our profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.